Now today in this video we are going to summarize Act 3 Scene 2, not entirely till 220. Already we have done before. That means we have studied the topic. But today few interesting thing that we have to look at. Act 3 Scene 2 does give the drama the perfect look of a comedy. Question is why? Answer is, this drama is obviously comedy, ends with a happy note, but this Act 3 Scene 2 is specifically first part of Act 3 Scene 2 a comedy. We have tension here, we have triumph here, that means victory. Furthermore, we have plenty of characters, we have music also. So this scene is perfectly an example of comedy. At the initial part, we have seen a different type of Portia. Why I am saying different type? Because Portia has always been confident. While describing the suitors or while rejecting Morocco and Aragon, she was so arrogant, she was so confident and straightforward. But here the same Portia is not straightforward. She could not express her heart's desire to Bassanio directly. Here the same Portia is not confident because she was unaware of the future, that what would happen in the game of casket. Here the same Portia is not that arrogant. Many a time she requested the goddess of fortune to be with her. And here we have missed the same obedient and honest Portia, since he helped Bassanio with the song, and that song helped Bassanio, that paved the path to win the game of casket. Furthermore, what we have seen in this particular scene, that Bassanio and Portia met beforehand, and as we read, they had fair speechless messages. They had fair speechless messages before, and here the implement. And furthermore, what we have seen here, that Bassanio has almost won the heart of Portia. Beforehand, they had fair speechless messages, they exchanged visual messages. And why we are saying that she was already in love? Because many a times he said that one half of me is yours, the other half yours. So indirectly she is indicating that she solely belongs to Portia. If we go forward, as we have found that there is some melodramatic events. While Portia describes how will Bassanio choose the casket, the musical selection of the casket, that was melodramatic. So many metaphors are used, just like, away then I am locked in one of the caskets. If Bassanio wins, then the song will be a melodious one, it will be a ceremonial one, as if like it is going to be a matrimonial one, full of joy, full of strength, full of love and affection. But if Bassanio loses, then there will be a swan-like ending. That means a melancholic ending. So all these things we are having here. Further, she compared Bassanio to young Alcides. Alcides means Hercules. He saved the young princess of Troy, Hesione, when she was tributed to the sea monster. So here a powerful metaphor is drawn. Sea monster is compared to luck, Bassanio is compared to Hercules, and she herself is compared to Hesione, a sacrificial figure. Then the song was sung, the Ding Dong Bell, and it truly helped Bassanio to choose the casket properly. As the song says, tell me where is fancy bred, in the heart or in the head. If the fancy is in heart, that means if the love is cordial, affair is cordial, then it will be long lasting. And if the affection is visual, that means generated in our eyes, then it will not be long lasting. A person may like or love another one when he finds that the opposite one is beautiful or handsome, but that beauty, the look, will fade away in the course of time. Beauty is not forever. With growing age, wrinkles come and the beauty will be spoiled. So, what we have here, we have got the idea that Bassanio was hinted. That means Portia told Bassanio to love someone by seeing the inside, not seeing the outside. Furthermore, it is said that if love is generated in the eyes, the love will die in the eyes too. That means a visual love does not live long. When the beauty will fade, then the love will also get spoiled. Bassanio, being highly, I cannot say intelligent, he was a clever fellow. Very, very clever. He understood the song. And immediately he remarked, so may the outward shows be least themselves. The world is still deceived with ornaments. Outward cannot show the originality. But the world believes in originality or outside? Obviously in outside. If something is shiny, the world will go for that. Four factors are raised here. Number one, that is legal system. The lawyer saves the criminal with plenty of logics, with arguments, with beautiful presentation and voice. Ultimately hides the grossness, the ugliness. In religion also, the superstitions, the evil acts are totally covered with the help of the holy books. So the act of the evil is covered again. Third factor we have got about strength. Many of people who keep beard like Hercules and Mars, who pretend to be very strong and confident, but if we search inwardly, if we search them properly, if we make one analyze, what we'll find? We'll find that these people are chicken-hearted people. They are born to die. They don't do anything special in our life. Furthermore, we have got about beauty. Beauty should be God gifted, but nowadays beauty is purchased. One can buy beauty with the help of cosmetics. The cosmetics makes a person, makes a lady beautiful. But one line it is mentioned, making them lightest that wear most of it. Those who use maximum amount of makeup, they are the lightest. That means immoral people. At the same time, they are the most beautiful people. So they may become the most beautiful one. At the same time, they become the most immoral one. The shiny locks play with the air, attracts everyone. But if we make one proper investigation, it will be found that the hair is not original. It's a wig. It's a gift from another lady, and that lady may be inside the grave. So beauty is often very, very, very fake, very, very non-realistic. We cannot judge the sea, middle of the sea, by seeing the beautiful seashore. The sea beach may be decorated with plenty of items, but when you go deep, when you go middle of the sea, what will you find? It's devastating and dangerous. The tempest may play a role there. So clever people do what? The clever people, they cover themselves with fake reality, with fake items, and they deceive us. Even the wisest person are trapped. So ultimately Bassanio decided not to go with gold or silver, because they have only outward beauty. And he mentioned that gold is the common reason behind the enmity between human beings. the enmity among the human beings. So he rejected the temptation of gold and silver. Instead, he was moved by the darkness of paleness of this lead. He mentioned that your paleness moves me more than eloquence. And ultimately he had chosen that and he won the game of casket. Later also we'll find that Bassanio is very emotional while describing the portrait of Portia. He went melodramatic, he was exaggerating the fact, somewhat hyperbolic, mentioning that a person who drew the picture is not a simple person, he is a demigod. That means a god has come here on the earth to draw the picture of Portia. Further he mentioned that the picture does have heavenly element at least. The lips are beautiful. The hair of Portia which is drawn on the portrait is just like a trap, just like the cobweb to entrap the hearts of the men. And the painter himself got mesmerized, got totally shocked while drawing the eyes of Portia. He himself fell in love with Portia. And ultimately the scroll he got inside allowed him to claim his authority over Portia and her wealth. And Portia was also very happy. She was somewhat relieved as Bassanio won the game of casket. She wanted someone worthy. But keep it in mind, Bassanio is neither a prince nor a king. So a common man won the hands of Portia. She was so happy that she was telling that she was ready to learn from Bassanio. She considered herself unschooled, unpracticed, and she was ready to change all her behavior, all her attitude and everything that she has. She handed over everything that she had to Bassanio. Bassanio at the same time was feeling very uneasy. He was in drowsy situation, as if he was hallucinating, as if a dream he was enjoying. It was very hard for him to accept that he has won the game of casket. But naturally, truly, he has won the game of casket. He has won the game of casket. Now, he could not speak directly to Portia because the feelings he had was so powerful that did not allow him to speak directly. At the end of this part, what we have seen that Nerissa and Gratiano both expressed their feelings for each other. They were just waiting to see the triumph of Bassanio, because if Bassanio did not win, they would not be allowed to marry each other. So they are just waiting to see Bassanio's performance. As soon as did Bassanio win the game of casket, then they decided to express their feelings. First Gratiano expressed his feelings. Then Nerissa approved that she was also in love with Gratiano. It was further authenticated by Portia and Bassanio. They accepted their relationship and they decided to have the marriage ceremony together. That means Portia and Bassanio's marriage will be performed along with the marriage of Nerissa and Gratiano. And Gratiano mentioned the bitter truth that loving there in Belmont is a hard work. Because the game of casket, so many rules, so many regulations, so it is very hard. Gratiano went against his nature. He did not speak anything as he promised in Act 2, Scene 3 or Act 2, Scene 2. He promised that he would not speak anything and he maintained his promise. He did not speak anything rubbish. So first time he spoke and he mentioned the truth. He spoke the truth that loving someone in Belmont is a very risky and a very troublesome work. And the scene ends with the arrival of Lorenzo, Jessica and Salerno. The subplot and the main plot gets mixed up here. And there starts another format here. So kindly Go through this video. Finding any doubt, kindly let me know via WhatsApp. I will reply you in no time. And already you have written few revision test, not written, you have given but few revision test. The performance was not very bad, it was good, but you have to try better, you can do better, and in the next revision test hope you will get more marks, you will score more marks. So go through this video. If needed, do ask me question, feel free to ask any kind of doubt. Thank you children, thank you very much.